It's time for the long-awaited burp off.
Yeah, per our YouTube fans, they wanted us to do a burp contest. So I've got Dr. Pepper.
I've got Diet Dr. Pepper, which I kind of have an advantage because it's more carbonated.
That's right. And so we're going to open these fresh, and we're going to start doing our best to impress you. I don't know. I don't know who, but
yeah.
Hey, this was a request by our fans, so what do?
We'll do it.
We entertain.
We won't do everything our fans suggest, but
yeah, not everything. Weird crap. Just by the way, some of the fans out there that have some of that weird crap, we don't do weird crap. So, and this is our trusty squirt bottle.
This is for so whoever starts off, the next burp after that has to be better, and if the person not burping doesn't feel it's of caliber, they get squirted in the face.
That's right. And let me tell you something, this thing squirts.
It
may be little, but it can squirt.
Put that shit on a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Maybe little, but it sure can squirt.
This is a 20-foot squirter.
I thought it was a little squirter.
It is, but it's, like I said, it may be little.
Doesn't matter how big it is, it matters how you use it.
That's right.
Alright.
Shoot for the eyes! Alright, you ready to open these dudes up?
Sure.
Alright. Uh-oh, shit. Oh, crap. Did you shake mine?
No.
I wonder if Jesse did it.
I was the one that handed it to you. I think it's fine.
Alright,
now.
I think we're good. Oh, I hope I don't lose my carbon because of that.
No, you shouldn't.
Alright.
Was on, but Jess is over here. She's not on camera. She's going to join in. And a little change of plan. We're both going to do our burps, and then we're going to close our eyes, and she has a squirt bottle, and she's going to squirt whoever she thinks did the weakest or worst burp. We think that'll make it interesting, so we have no idea who she's going to squirt.
Sounds like a good idea to me.
And our eyes are going to be closed. So
this should be fun.
It's your channel. I feel like he's going to beat me.
Uh-oh.
Nothing?
Oh, and here's a burp.
Alright.
Like I said, burps suck. Oh, I'm going to lose this one. I'm going to lose bad.
That was still.
Oh, no.
Let's close our eyes.
All right. Oh, that's so jacked, man. I was so not ready for that.
B-Man 1, Burrito Bob 0.
Ah! All right. There
Round
it goes
2.
again. I'm going to build up enough carbon here sooner or later. Maybe if I... You know what I'm going to do? I know what I'm going to do next.
Oh.
What the hell?
You gotta shake it around.
Your boobs are jiggling.
My boobs. My moves. My moves are jiggling. Okay. I need more, huh?
You only get one drink.
Only one?
Only one drink.
God, usually I can burp really good.
I thought you were sweating and I realized you got squirted in the head.
I don't want to get squirted again. Why don't I have any burps? Oh no, I'm gonna get squirted again. No.
Close your eyes.
Shoot, man, I hate that.
2-0.
That sucks. I'm losing badly here. I'm actually embarrassed. My belly feels so full, though. I have a feeling I got a big mother coming.
At the end.
Pretty soon I'm going to friggin' need to put on my bathing suit.
Oh.
God.
I was confused for a second. I was like, why? Can Burrito Bob make a comeback?
I hope so.
Alright, I know.
As like stuff's coming out of my mouth. Woo! That feels so much better. My belly felt like it was gonna blow. He's all serious. Look at serious look.
There's a method to my madness. I don't burp yet. I send it back to my stomach and it collects more air. And I try to bring it back up.
Send it back to my stomach.
Uh-oh. I think it's gone.
Don't knock it over again!
I caught it though.
The soda went everywhere earlier. It was all over the floor. It was all over my glasses, my phone.
Jeez.
The cat walked through it. You know what? I know this isn't part of the contest, but you gotta have a fart in there. Uh-oh.
Aw.
Oh. Let's close our eyes.
Ah! You squirted me twice.
Whoops.
I have to admit, being who you are, I thought, watch her squirt me just to be an ass. That was nice.
She squirted me
Damn!
twice.
That was a huge...
Damn! That was a huge burp. I almost said the other word. Alright, your turn.
All right. That's 1-2. 1-2.
2-1.
I don't even need it. Woo!
Alright.
Oh, really? I wonder who won this one.
You probably.
Oh, sorry.
It's a mild.
Where did that come from? Oh, I don't know. That's like barf burp. Okay, you close your eyes, dude. 'Cause
No,
I had
hang
one.
on.
Oh, geez. Come on, man. You're making me look bad here. Real bad. Here I am closing my eyes, ready for the squirt.
Alright, I think I'm good.
All right. Oh, I hate that. This sucks. All right. What is it? So is it? Good God! What's the
3 to
score?
1. I'm kicking your ass.
I'm still losing.
Yep.
Man.
I don't have much left. It's more than I do.
This is why the fans did this. They knew I would lose. For some reason, they probably thought, he's a young buck. He can burp better than that old fart.
He's got me at farts, but I might have him at burps.
His face.
That's what they call a silent but deadly burp. There was nothing there. It didn't sound like there was anything there, but there was air there.
Yeah.
Is that all? Good grief. You're going to leave a lung on the table, man. Or your inner bowel. Well, easy. All right. All right, you can do it one more time. And then we'll have one final burp. Did I say that one was one final burp?
No.
Okay, this will be the one final burp coming up. So, okay, I'm ready. I hate the anticipation.
So do I. Do it
Are
already.
you gonna squirt or what?
Ah!
Oh! That was just wrong.
Did you get both of us?
Yeah, I'd say those were pretty equal.
Alright, so what? Still
Dripping
3 to
water
1.
here. 3 to 1.
Last one?
I'm still losing.
Yeah. You said you wanted to do one more.
Alrighty then. I'm going with that one. Dude, easy on the squirter. All right.
What the hell was that? I heard
It's a good thing I'm wearing Depends undergarments.
Oh, I did not
They're
know
the
that.
good protector.
Oh my god.
You done?
Woo. You gonna throw up? Good Lord. Get a bag. All right, here it is. One last one, right? Right?
Yeah!
Jeez. Scaring me now.
Go!
You almost scared the you almost scared the beard off my face.
Tastes like chicken. Dripping.
I'm drinking Dr. Pepper.
What?
Dr. Pepper will make you a little tipsy.
What the hell?
Oh, hold on. What? More moves. More moves.
Ew, that looks so weird.
Woo! Why is my face all wet? Oh, I feel uncomfortable like earlier.
Don't laugh, it makes it worse.
That tastes like chicken, garlic chicken, and potato salad. There's some more for you. The winner of this one, or I mean the loser of this one, gets 5 shots to the face. I'm waiting.
Me too.
Good God. What are you doing to your stomach, man? That's all you got? After all that, beat his chest, moved his belly, shook up and down, around. Yeah.
It's stuck right here.
Jeez, man. Thumb me in my eye, will ya? God.
Hang on.
These are like your farts. They're turning into those little mouse farts. Or mouse burps.
Close your eyes.
I don't have to close my eyes.
Both of you guys.
Why?
It's an overall who did the best.
Oh, bullshit.
All right.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ah!
That is so jacked, man. I should have put bleach in the water. Ah! No. Oh my God.
I think you got more of it.
Oh, it went under my eyelid, for God's sakes. Oh, you lifted it up. I felt it go up.
Oi.
Well, there you go, guys. That's your burp contest. You be the judge. Thanks. I look so lovely. Good times, good laughs. Hope you had a good time. Hey, I saw something come out of your mouth.
Ew.
That's disgusting. Till next time, Burrito Bob and the
B-Man.
All right. Catch you later. Hey, YouTubers and friends. Thanks for viewing my channel, Burrito Bob. Thanks to subscribers and those viewing our crazy family fun. Please subscribe, share, and comment. I will try to respond to my viewers as soon as I can. Thanks again. Burrito Bob out.